favorite Golden Pyramid. And the race is on. Witness in Manila. Fast to begin. Golden Pyramid for us all. Down on the inside is Temptress. Leon Face on the further outside. May Bukas pa enjoy the flight. So bless alongside. Good humor. Yes, Joey. Reward for effort. Witness in Manila by a length and a half, followed by Golden Pyramid in second. Forest All is watching in third by about 2 lengths. Leon Face as they raise the last 500. Witness in Manila by a length and a half. Golden Pyramid. Forest All sneaking by the last. They raise the last 250. Witness in Manila by about 2 lengths now. Golden Pyramid on the outside for us all in face and nearing the finish line. Witness in Manila for us all down on the inside. Witness in Manila for us all, and finally Witness in Manila for us all. Leon Face, may bukas pa. Golden Pyramid, yes, Joey.
Okay, crossing the wire first. Only the second favorite entry, number 3, Witness in Manila with AI.